Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. We begin tonight with drama in the federal court as the Feeding Our Future fraud case plays out. A defendant who already pleaded guilty took the stand, sharing details about an apparent attempt to influence his testimony. Lou Raguse was in the courtroom and joins us now live. Lou?
Julie, that alleged witness tampering happened yesterday afternoon and is still under investigation. Besides testifying about that, the witness also provided very damning details against the defendant, Salim Saeed. Sharma K. Jama has already pleaded guilty, admitting he stole more than $4 million, claiming to serve 3,000 children in need every day from Brava Restaurant in Rochester during the COVID-19 pandemic. He told the jury he started out intending to help his community, but, quote, it turned into inflated meal counts, fake invoices, and all that. Jama says his family used the money to buy 3 homes in Minnesota and 1 overseas in Turkey. And who showed Jama how to commit the fraud? He testified it was Salim Saeed, former owner of Safari Restaurant, who is on trial with Feeding Our Future Executive Director Amy Bach. Jama testified that Feeding Our Future let Saeed and his Safari Restaurant partners basically manage several other for-profit restaurants participating in the fraud scheme. The jury saw what Jama said were fabricated invoices for food Saeed claimed to sell him, absurd amounts, such as 12,000 gallons of milk one month, totaling $56,000. Other testimony suggested Bach ran interference for those restaurants by falsely claiming Feeding Our Future staff were serving those meals when the education department changed the rules to require nonprofit sites. The jury also heard Jama's testimony about a strange encounter with another defendant awaiting trial, who yesterday tried to pull him into a courthouse bathroom in an apparent attempt to influence his testimony. Defense attorneys objected as Jama testified he was under the impression the man was related to Salim Saeed. Now, defense attorneys did not do much in cross-examination besides make it clear that Jama was motivated by money for participating in the meal program. Now, as for the witness tampering, no one has been arrested or charged, but the judge enhanced security, making a new rule that no defendants from the case, besides the ones that are on trial, can be on the same floor where the trial is currently taking place. Julie.
Lou, it feels like every day this trial and what comes out gets more maddening. When you say there are absurd levels of milk being sold, there are also absurd claims about how many meals, thousands of meals being served a day in a restaurant with 9 tables. Can you speak at all to how this went on for so long with no one questioning it? I know you've been covering it from the start.
Well, I referred a little bit to how they're implying that Amy Bach ran interference. At a certain point, the Minnesota Department of Education made a new rule that these for-profit restaurants could not take part in it. But then all they did was claim that the Feeding Our Future staff was running these sites. And then the Education Department basically said, well, I guess we can't do anything about it now.
Just maddening. Thank you, Lou.